Hey, thanks for joining me today. Hadn't even started filming here, and I've already got a nice little striper. So the lake was going to be crowded today. It's a Sunday. First fish of the day. So I decided to come up the river again here. Should be a good multi-species day. Should be some spots, some stripers, maybe some white bass. Can't beat a fish on the first cast though. I'm going to be going further upriver. I just decided to give this a shot before I got up there. We'll go up in here and catch a few largemouth. Just a little largemouth. Another little largemouth. Not really seeing what I want to see, so I think I'm going to go upstream here. Okay, I'm heading upstream here, trying to navigate around rocks and trees. The watercolor's a little dingy, so I can't really see the rocks, so I'm a little bit nervous. It's beautiful up here. Okay, I came upriver as far as I could, and felt safe about it anyway. It's a complete different kind of fishing, which is why I like it. Just different. So the stripers and white bass come up here in the spring, spawn. The walleyes do too. Unfortunately, this year there was just too much rain. I couldn't get on the walleyes. Controlling the boat in this current is not easy. Oh boy. Oh boy. This is a big, big striper here. I may have a hard time landing this one. I'm trying to keep myself out of the... Come on, baby. I don't want to lose you. I'm trying to keep him out of the trees. I can't do anything with this fish. Boy, they get in that current and they are tough. It's a good fish. Turn on this camera so I can... Okay, this is worth my trip up here. just for this fish. Oh, he's not done yet. Or she, I should say. That's a big one. That's a big fish there. Ooh, that's got to be 12 to 15 pounds at least. Nice fish. Man, check it out. That's why I came up here. Wow. Holy smokes. Whew. I'm going to have to start the big engine and go back up there because that was... I've drifted downstream a long ways. What a fight. I'm telling you, there's no fish stronger. I think that's my biggest striper so far this year. Okay. This is what I expected to catch today. Big white bass. Nice fish. Oh, there we go. Alright, so I just figured out that they had to come up in the swifter current to find the fish, so drift past all this good looking area. Another small skinny one. I went about as far as I could go without knocking my prop off.
Another jet boat up above?
Oh, there's
my buddy's up there somewhere.
there's 3 or 4 of them up there right now that I saw go by just a few minutes ago, actually. Okay, see if I can do this without getting snagged up. So it's a little bit later in the afternoon, right back where I started, where I caught the largemouth this morning. I see stripers on my fish finder here, so I figured I'd sit and play with them for a little bit. They've been kind of hard to catch today, but I did catch my biggest striper of the season so far, which is good. There we go. I knew that's what I saw. Uh-oh. Underneath the boat here. There we go. It's a better fish than I was expecting. Nothing like stripers. I just love them. I believe this is a spot. Yeah, this is a nice bass. Actually, that's a largemouth. Well, that's a decent largemouth. Gotta love the multi-species days. White bass, largemouth, stripers so far. Ooh, there's another one. Ooh, hey now. This is a bass, I believe. It's a good one if it is. Oh yeah. Yeah. That's a nice, that's a pound-and-a-half spotted bass. There we go. I knew I would figure them out. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Is that not the greatest sound in the world? Boy, this fish is running to the hills. Come on. Oh, man. I mean, these are 2.5, 3 pounds at least. It is slow fishing, finesse fishing. You got to be really deliberate how you present your lure, but man, there's nothing like feeling them hit this. Nothing like it. Boat positioning is crucial for this kind of fishing. This one doesn't know he's hooked yet. Now he does. Must be a smaller one. Ooh, no, it's not. Head first, come on. Finesse fishing for stripers. He's probably 2.5, 3 pounds maybe. So these fish are laying right out in the channel. The problem is there's trees out there. They're laying near the trees, and I have to make my cast just perfect or I'm snagged up in a tree. So that's why it's important for me to have my boat. I want to get the right angle to throw this out there and not get snagged up. Now every once in a while I'm going to get snagged up, that's just part of it, but if I get my boat in here where it's supposed to be and I get the right, throw it in there and hit my jig didn't even hit the bottom. Man, you just can't beat it. It's there's no fish stronger. Now I've only got 8 pound fluorocarbon. This must be a good one. I'm gonna have to follow him with the trolling motor or he'll lose me in the trees. I use Gamma fluorocarbon. It's the strongest line. This is 8 pound test. And you know, I mean, you can see how hard this fish is pulling. Well, you can't put too much pressure on them, but this must be a bigger one because I'm, oh yeah, oh yeah. Geez, I love seeing that in the water. That is awesome. Another nice striper.
Nice one.
Man, you gotta love it. I'm catching some nice stripers today. All right, check out that crappie. Giant crappie. Saw him on my fish finder. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I ended up figuring out a few fish. I caught quite a few today. It was crowded up here. Cold in the morning, hot in the afternoon. I might play with the bass a little bit on the way in, but thanks for tuning in. Please subscribe, click the thumbs up, come back and fish with me next time.